What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Chevy Shawty. And today, man, I decided to come out here and play with this setup. Try and get this setup going, man, for the Camaro. I had this stuff for a little minute. I just ain't never put it together. This is the 360 mount with the little telescopic mount to attach to this. So I'm finna set it up on here and test it out real quick because I still ain't got no tires for this yet, man. I just been working, y'all. I do have a business for those of y'all who don't already know and you new to the channel. So my business pretty much keeps me busy. I be hands-on. And boy, the end of July going into August, I thought August was gonna lit up on me, but apparently it didn't. So I just been going through the motions, y'all, so y'all forgive me, man. I ain't had no time to do nothing with the car that I said I was going to do. So I'm getting ready to move these cars out the driveway real quick. I'm gonna attempt to set this up on the back of here. And I'm gonna drive up the street real quick because I wanna see if I'm gonna be able to drive to the tire shop, or I need to just take these off and put them on the back of the truck and then just change the tires out like that. But we finna test it out. I'm just finna go up the street. I ain't going too far. But while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and set the GoPro up on the back of the Camaro and see how that footage turned out. So y'all bear with me, man. Give me a minute. I got all this stuff off of Amazon too, man. I don't think you can get it nowhere else. But I had seen this like a long time ago, like months ago on somebody else's channel. And he had told me where to go get it. So I got it. I just never set it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start setting it up. Cause before, if y'all remember, I used to just use the GoPro and stick it to the windshield on the inside or the outside. And that's how I used to do my POV footage. But now I done got the whole setup. I got the head mount. I got this for the 360 and this. So man, we just gonna go ahead and put it together real quick before it starts storming. I get a cold start real quick though. But check this out, man. The car the car been sitting for so long, y'all. Spider wheels, spiders just done made home. I'm talking about, boy, I done did my baby so dirty, man. Spider wheels, then set up shop on the ZL1. Let's get it going though, man. I gotta find the key for it. Damn! I'm sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Daddy just been doing you so dirty. I'm sorry, baby. I promise. I'm gonna get you some brand new tires. We gonna get you back in the game. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Let me hurry up, y'all, before it starts pouring down. I already ain't got no traction with these tires, so let's get to it. see how many I done got out the car 3 times already. Ain't no way this shit should be falling.
That's crazy.
Ain't no way. I know I'm going over speed bumps, but goddamn, like, this shit should not be falling, bro. Them motherfuckers should be up in the air. Hold it.
Trying not to turn and twist it too much because it's so weak.
Maybe it's because of the rain and the speed bumps combined. But let's see what happens when I pull down here, because we ain't got no speed bumps. It's probably the speed bumps, but yeah, because it look like it just went down. The speed bumps taking it out. Alright, man, that's gonna be it for the video, y'all, man. We gonna go ahead and put the Camaro back up, man. It's raining. I don't even really like to drive when the tires is in A1 condition in the rain, because these slicks don't be giving me too much traction already as it is. So me with some messed up tires, I definitely don't need to be out here playing. Yeah, stick definitely going down though. Definitely went down, y'all. Bag this thing on up in here, man. I had to do this in a minute. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like I said before, let me know if y'all want some more of these POV videos. I'll be bringing them to you pretty soon in a major way. We're gonna get some different looks. Definitely better than what I gave you today. So y'all stay tuned, man. If you ain't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and hit the share button, man. It's your boy Chevy Shawty. I'm gone.